If you're seeing a GOG Galaxy sync error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you two simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. We're going to toggle cloud saves, then run a verify and repair on the game installation to refresh the files and help GOG Galaxy sync properly again. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and gaming tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open the GOG Galaxy client on your computer. Once it's open, look for the settings menu. In most cases, you'll find it in the top left or through the small gear icon. Click settings, then go to game features. This section controls extra game-related options, including cloud saves. Now find cloud saves and uncheck it. This temporarily turns off cloud syncing for your games. After you disable it, wait a few seconds. You don't need to do anything complicated here. Just give the client a moment to register the change. Then go back and turn cloud saves back on by checking the box again. This simple reset can often clear out the sync issue and force GOG Galaxy to reconnect properly. If the error is still there, the next step is to verify and repair the game installation. This helps make sure the local game files are not corrupted or missing anything that could interfere with syncing. To do that, go to your library inside GOG Galaxy and select the game that's having the problem. On the game page, look for the customization icon right next to the play button. It usually looks like a small settings or menu button. Click that icon, then choose Manage Installation. From the menu that opens, select Verify/Repair. GOG Galaxy will now scan the game files and check them against the expected installation. If it finds any issues, it will repair the files automatically. This step can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game and your drive speed, so let it finish completely before testing sync again. Once both steps are done, restart a GOG Galaxy if needed and check whether the sync error is gone. In many cases, toggling cloud saves and repairing the installation is enough to get everything working again. If the issue was caused by a temporary client glitch, bad file data, or a broken sync state, this usually clears it up. If you still have trouble after that, it can help to close the client fully and open it again, or check your internet connection and make sure GOG Galaxy is allowed through your firewall. But for most users, the cloud save toggle and verify repair steps are the best first fixes. If this tutorial helped you fix the GOG Galaxy Sync error, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy gaming and PC troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.